America's best minds have been meeting and visiting in Princeton, New Jersey for almost 250 years.
Our ancestors knew even then Mercer County would be the place to be, with world-class meeting centers that truly spark innovation.
We are a destination for conferences and gatherings that bring great minds together to achieve brilliance.
A destination for amazing weddings, galas, and cuisine to celebrate any occasion and dazzle your guests.
With vibrant downtowns, shops, and restaurants, our region is resilient and our hospitality venues are ready to welcome you.
Situated centrally between Philadelphia and New York, Princeton-Mercer offers the latest in technology, luxury accommodations, and the charm of a hometown setting.
Seven of the 50 largest meeting and conference centers in New Jersey call our region home. Let us transport you to your next adventure.
Concert venues and sports arenas to golf courses and wineries, Mercer County has something for everyone.
Including a wonderfully landscaped 42-acre sculpture garden. Experience the beauty of art and nature.
We know we haven't seen each other in a while, but we look forward to welcoming you back to our beautiful region and exquisite venues.
Whether you're planning a business meeting, gala, conference, or weekend retreat, we're ready to meet you here.
Meet us.
Meet us.
Meet us.
Meet us.
Meet us.
Meet us.
Meet us in Mercer County, New Jersey. See you soon.